Walther just dropped something big, but they're not the only ones. 2025 is already packed with some of the most exciting new guns we've seen in years. From tactical comp-ready beasts to slim carry pistols built for real-world defense, these new releases are pushing performance, design, and reliability to another level. This isn't just another headline. We're breaking down what makes these guns worth your attention, your range time, and maybe even your wallet. Whether you're into concealed carry, competition, or just chasing the latest drop, the best new guns of 2025 are here. Let's get into it. Imagine spending a sunny day at the range with family and friends, plinking away at targets and having the time of your life. That's exactly what you'll get with the Taurus 22 Tunk, a fun and affordable pistol that's perfect for recreational shooting. Its reliable performance and accuracy will blow you away. Its 4-inch barrel and 10-round magazine delivers shot after shot of fun and excitement, and the best part? The 22 Tunk is designed to be a joy to shoot with an ergonomic grip and smooth trigger that make it feel like an extension of your hand. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just starting out, this pistol is sure to put a smile on your face. So why not introduce someone new to the world of shooting to the Taurus 22 Tunk? It's the perfect way to share the fun and excitement of recreational shooting. This small but mighty rimfire isn't only a practical choice, but also an affordable one. With a budget-friendly MSRP starting at $333, choosing whether or not to add a punchy 22 to your collection isn't a tough choice. When it comes to high-performing pistols, there's one that stands out from the rest. Designed for competition and recreational shooting, this pistol is a great choice for shooters of all levels. At a local shooting range, a new shooter was able to quickly adapt to its 3.6-inch barrel and 10-round magazine, making it perfect for beginners. Its ergonomic grip and adjustable trigger make it a joy to shoot, providing a comfortable and customizable shooting experience. Manufacturer's suggested retail price on the US market starts at $469 for the baseline Stance XR pistol, going up to $539 for the tritium sights models. For anyone looking for a reliable and accurate pistol for competition or recreational shooting, the Stance XR is an ideal. The Beretta Gold Cup 2025 is a competition shooter's dream come true. At the 2022 Olympic Games, this pistol's 12-gauge chambering and 30-inch barrel delivered unparalleled accuracy and reliability, helping shooters secure medals. I'm not saying the Beretta Gold Cup is the answer to world peace or anything, but it's definitely the answer to what gun should I buy to make all my friends jealous. This gun is a straight-up beast. 3-inch chambers, 10+1 capacity, and a trigger that's so smooth you'll think you're cheating. And don't even get me started on the accuracy. It's like it has a personal vendetta against targets. The Gold Cup 2025's ergonomic stock and adjustable rib make it perfect for shooters of all skill levels and disciplines. The Beretta Gold Cup 2025's price isn't explicitly stated. However, similar models like the Colt Gold Cup National Match, for instance, has various prices ranging from $1,133 to $4,999 depending on the seller and condition. It's also worth noting that the Beretta Gold Cup is associated with clay target shooting competition, and the event's prize pool is around $20,000. However, this doesn't directly relate to the cost of the firearm itself. Hunting and target shooting often require a rifle that can deliver accuracy and reliability at long ranges. The Ruger LCbine 10mm is a versatile rifle perfect for hunting and target shooting. During a hunting trip, this rifle's 16-inch barrel and 1-to-10 twist rate took down a wild boar at 150 yards, showcasing its reliable performance. The LCbine 10mm's adjustable stock and ambidirectional controls make it perfect for shooters of all skill levels. This rifle is ideal for those looking for a reliable and accurate hunting rifle that can also handle target shooting duties. The current price for the Ruger LC Carbine 10mm is $899, which is quite affordable for its amazing features. The Ruger RXM is an impressive handgun. It's consistently hit targets at over 1,000 yards, and that's just insane. The icing on the cake here is how comfortable it is to shoot. The ergonomic stock and adjustable trigger make it feel customized to your hand so you can focus on taking down your target. For anyone who's serious about long-range shooting, the RXM is definitely worth checking out. Its combination of precision, accuracy, and comfort make it a top choice. Given the feature set of this pistol and a real-world price of around $499, I don't think of the Ruger RXM as anything short of amazing. For those who concealed carry, a slim and lightweight pistol is essential, but often these pistols sacrifice performance for size. Not so with the Smith & Wesson CSXE series, a pistol that packs a punch in a compact package. It's designed for concealed carry and self-defense, making it perfect for everyday carry. New shooters are likely to quickly adapt to this pistol's slim profile and 12-round magazine, so if you're just starting out, here's a good place to start. The CSXE series' ergonomic grip and intuitive controls make it easy to use and maneuver, even for those with smaller hands. This pistol is currently worth an average price of $699, and it's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and accurate self-defense pistol that's easy to carry and conceal. Now let's talk about a really cool shotgun called the Mosberg 940 Pro Tactical SPX. The shotgun is special because it's designed for people who want to shoot competitively or use it for tactical situations. Think of it like a sports car, but for shooting. It's built for speed and accuracy, and it's really good at helping you hit your targets quickly. One of the things that makes this shotgun so great is its 12-gauge chambering. That means it can shoot bigger, more powerful shells that can hit targets really hard. It also has an 18.5-inch barrel, which is a great length for shooting at close to medium ranges. Plus, the barrel is designed to help you aim quickly and accurately. The stock is adjustable and comfy to hold. That means you can customize it to fit your body perfectly, which makes it easier to shoot accurately. It's currently priced at $1,090 to $1,371, depending on the model chosen. Few sidearms command as much respect as a Smith & Wesson, and for good reason. Their guns have been trusted by law enforcement and civilians alike for generations. The Smith & Wesson Model 1854 in .357 Magnum is a lever-action rifle, not a revolver, blending classic design with modern performance. With its stainless steel construction and premium features, the suggested retail price of $1,279 is competitive among high-quality lever guns. When it comes to action and precision, the Model 1854 delivers exceptional performance. If you're looking for a timeless classic with power and reliability, this rifle is a worthy contender for any shooter. If you're new to the world of firearms, you're probably looking for a gun that's easy to handle, fun to shoot, and packs a punch. And that's exactly what you get with the NAA Sentinel. What truly sets the Sentinel apart is its shootability. It's a joy to fire with a smooth trigger and ergonomic grip that make it feel like a natural extension of your hand. And when it comes to concealed carry, its compact size makes it the perfect handgun. This miniature revolver is also perfect for beginners because it's small, lightweight, and easy to conceal. Plus, its .22 Magnum chambering delivers a manageable recoil that won't intimidate new shooters. The Sentinel is available in two configurations: the standard model chambered in .22 WMR with an MSRP of $399, and the Sentinel conversion model, which includes an additional cylinder for .22 long rifle ammunition priced at $525. The Walther PDP Pro XPMM Compact is a powerhouse in a compact package perfect for self-defense and concealed carry. During a self-defense training course, this pistol's 4-inch barrel and 15-round magazine delivered reliable performance and accuracy in high-stress scenarios. The pistol's ergonomic grip and reversible magazine release make it easy to use and maneuver even in tight spaces. Walther's MSRP for the PDP Pro XPMM compact model is $999, which makes it an affordable deal for users. This pistol is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and accurate self-defense pistol that doesn't feel like a brick. Next up is the 6 Sauer M400 Rose, and in the world of modern sporting rifles, it's one platform that stands tall above the rest. With its unparalleled reliability and accuracy, this rifle has become the go-to choice for hunters and competitive shooters alike. The 6 Sauer M400 Rose is a game-changing AR-57 rifle that's taken the shooting world by storm. I recall a hunting trip in the mountains of Colorado where this rifle's 16-inch barrel and 1-to-8 twist rate delivered a clean shot on a deer at 300 yards. The M400 Rose's ambidirectional controls and adjustable stock make it perfect for shooters of all levels. A 6 Sauer M400 rifle is currently worth an average price of $1,139, which is quite expensive, but be sure you get good control with it. The CZ Shadow 2 Target is a competition pistol that has dominated the shooting sports scene. When it comes to competitive shooting, every advantage counts, and at the 2022 IPSC, top shooter Max Michel dominated the competition with this pistol, showcasing its 4.5-inch barrel and adjustable sights' exceptional accuracy. The Shadow 2 Target's ergonomic grip and trigger make it a joy to shoot, and its reliability is unmatched. This pistol is perfect for competitive shooters who demand the best, and its accuracy and reliability make it a top choice for anyone looking to take their shooting skills to the next level. The Shadow 2 Target has a high MSRP of $2,599. And there you have it, shooters. From hunting and self-defense to competition and recreational shooting, there's something on this list for everyone. So tell us which is making it to your collection this year, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to get more updates from us. With that being said, like this video if you enjoyed it, and turn on notifications for all our videos so you'll never miss a beat. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you around later.